Hello bitches, hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of my Legends of Tomorrow 4-8 reaction. It is the mid-season finale. If you haven't checked out part 1, click the link in the description box below because you just missed or you haven't seen me freak out over the sirens of space-time. Literally the most iconic thing to ever happen right now. Anyways, to check it out, click the link in the description box below. Did you understand that? I don't care. Let's just get right back into this episode. I need to know what's going to happen. Let's go right now. John, fix your your boyfriend back.
Come on, get your head together. You want me to put things back the way they were?
Yes.
I'm not gonna bloody happen.
Shut up, Constantine.
No, I'm not alright, to be honest.
They don't keep a trophy room of those skulls. What do we look like, barbarians? Who? Zambezi? Where you're from? It's great. Yeah, it's like chill. It's super chill.
I'd be sending Desmond to hell.
Okay, he doesn't want to send his boyfriend to hell. I get that, but that event literally changed everything. Constantine, come on. I know he's grieving. He doesn't want. I get it, but like, come on. It's the whole world. You gotta fix it.
We've got to take care of the fairy godmother and Sailor.
Oh God!
Shit.
No.
Hard drive here knew you weren't really a Maya all along. I'm equipped to detect shapeshifter pheromones.
Let's go back to every episode and stop every magical creature.
Three of you have been so rude with your nasty attitude. Church service each morning, and you must start eating broccoli. Eat the broccoli.
I relinquish you.
That's cool.
I really think we nailed it this time.
No, you
You
didn't.
guys are right. What's wrong? What are you looking at? There's something on my nose?
Oh, fuck off! What the hell? Constantine, Charlie, stop right now. I know, oh my God, they are... just go... They know how to fix it all. They just refuse to. I can't.
Going lizard stomping.
Are they all puppets?
Oh, hey everybody, look! It's our good friend
Stop.
Constantine.
Flying through history, solving some mysteries. We give bad guys the boots of tomorrow.
Oh, puppets of tomorrow.
Tomorrow, today. Welcome to DC.
You watch that song Be My Head after this. Puppets of tomorrow. Fuck off!
I need a drink.
Yeah, legit.
We can help.
When you're thirsty for a drink.
Stop it! I can't.
And then he ran off with his new partner in crime.
Oh, the book? He wrote in the book that they're puppets? Oh my God, that is the best thing ever! Oh shit, that's fantastic. The fairy godmother, bitch, same. I'm crying, that's so funny. That is hilarious, I can't. This show is an actual gem, I can't.
We're gonna have to keep fixing what's broken until we get it right.
No, you idiot. What? No. In memory of their tragic battle with the garden gnome. Okay, same. You did not, something's wrong.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's never better.
Shit, are you okay? What the hell?
What if you die, John? What happens
Yeah.
to all the people who need you alive?
That's right.
Constantine.
Yeah, well, you can leave that to the real heroes.
It's an excuse for you to give up on yourself.
That's right.
No, just leave him alone, will you? You think because there's no plaques, the world is fixed?
Yeah, that's right.
I don't want to send Desmond to hell, but that doesn't have to be the end of the story.
Yes, you can get him back by defeating that thing and you get him back. Oh my God, yes, please, thank you.
And set things right.
Please, for the love of God.
Listen to her.
Shut up, Charlie.
There's still hope for Desmond then.
Yes, I agree.
Maybe there's still hope for your powers too.
Fight for them.
Yeah, Queen, knock her out, please.
Not by a long shot.
Oh shit, what you gonna do?
Learned about a magical presence in New Orleans 2018. Thought maybe we could check it out.
Oh shit.
Let's get to work.
I hate this. I love how there's 3 Constantines.
Just a little misguided.
It's a magical fugitive.
We kill those.
Oh, see, it's
Did
still...
you head out?
Walk alone.
Ha, nice.
Because it's John Constantine. He doesn't time travel. Believe me, I tried
Wow.
to recruit him.
Okay, so
Yeah, they haven't met him yet.
so we can find out if any of them are the real John.
Yeah, good. Come to your senses.
Why not?
Because I'm a shapeshifter. It isn't real. It never was. It doesn't exist.
This hurts me.
You should go. You dropped this. My phone. But really important to tell you. You know what? I've said quite enough today already. No, Des, please.
Can't you see that this is wrong?
This is big character development for Charlie because she's gone through time and, like, you know, stopped all these things, and she's kind of realized that they are actually good, which she kind of knew anyways, but, like, it's kind of, she's realizing things, like, you know what I mean? She's realizing they're good, and they're trying to actually help the creatures and not kill them in the original timeline.
Not really.
Ah! What?
The person who's standing in front of you right now is a little bit older and he's a little bit wiser. Sure.
Like a
Still
day.
playing games, clearly real.
Yeah, it is real.
It is!
That's why I moved heaven and earth, so that I could save you from a lifetime and eternity of anguish that I caused.
I know.
I'm sorry, whoever you met me.
Only a fool would fall in love with John Constantine. I expected to be Rocky. And I took him anyway.
I know, he loves him. Yes, bitch!
I'm not quitting on you.
Good. Oh, it's gonna wipe his memory. They could have shared a kiss before he did that. Anyways, it's just my gay heart, but, like, it's fine.
From my signal, I'm dealing with a...
Oh, good, she's alive. I thought so.
Constantine might be...
Sarah? Sarah?
Hold on a second. Just tell me why you're so intent on killing magical creatures.
Yeah, please.
Because that's how we stay alive.
No. She's not dying, it's fine.
By showing you that I'm not here to hurt humans. That
Yeah.
those monsters need to be put down.
And Constantine isn't there either to help them send them back. So that's why.
Because of Constantine, you and I never met. And
That's right.
you never changed. I'm the missing ingredient in every one of these botched timelines.
Legit.
Just things first, eh?
Oh, do it! Kiss, go ahead. Mick. Oh my god! No, it's fine. Oh, but the other... Oh, shit. Oh, they'll kiss and then time... I love when the gays fix history. Can you imagine the gay kiss that saves history? I love my gay show. Oh! Yes! Oh, look at that. Did you see? It's what I deserve. I'm just saying. Now I really want them to save Des, to be honest. Oh, back to the puppets. Okay. Same.
I'm sorry, Des.
I really want them to save him.
No longer split in two, but can't say the same about my heart, though.
Oh, honey.
We better watch your Sarah Land.
No, is everyone a puppet again?
What is this? Why are you being so weird?
Either I'm sorry.
For what? For
You should be.
into a bag or almost destroying all of history?
I got off on the wrong foot.
I agree.
You're a shapeshifter. Your whole deal is tricking people.
Do you know why I kept coming back to this phone?
Why?
Samaya is very hot.
But it's because this is
Hello. Rainbows. Hello. It's because she feels part of the team now, right?
the phone I've been a part of many crews. And you guys, well, you're not rubbish.
Oh, cute.
Listen, so you think I'm hot then?
Yes, bitch! Woo!
Snickerdoodles with your recipe. Not bad.
Oh, bless!
I'm reading your novel. I'm on the last chapter.
Oh!
The female characters are shallow.
Fool thinking I could outrun this fight flying around with you, love.
Yeah. And we have your back.
That's right. They're a team
Not
now.
as long as you know what you're getting yourself into. He wants to win in the cruelest possible way.
They escaped.
Yeah.
Here's what I want you to do. Track him down.
Wait, if Rowdy's back, does that mean Mona is still injured? Remember when she was clawed? Is she still injured?
And
Oh!
you better.
What? Bitch, what? Oh, wow. Oh my god. I'm actually kind of happy that happened, because now they can get rid of the demon and save Des, right? right? Because, oh, bitch. I'm so down for the Constantine Des reunion because I feel like I'm predicting it. Like, I'm gonna predict this, right? So, and by the way, I have to wait till April for new Legends of Tomorrow episodes. Are you fucking kidding me? That's so homophobic. Anyways, I think that they have. Oh, well, now they have to. So this demon has now escaped. I feel in Des's body, and now is after Constantine. So they'll have to try and. They can't kill the. Will they have to like kill the demon and it'll kill Des, or can they save Des and kill the demon? Obviously I want them to save Des. Otherwise, I'm gonna be so offended for the rest of my life. So holy shit. Anyways, overall that was an amazing episode. It was so, you know what? Legends is just that show. Like you watch season 1 and you're like, wow, what the hell is this? Like it was like an average season, but like compared to what it is now, like this show is just something else. Like. It's something else. Dun, 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 dun. Anyways, but it's such a good show, and I love all the characters. I can't get over how awesome this show is, and it doesn't take itself too seriously. It goes places where no other show really goes. It's that show. It's amazing. It's epic. It needs to go on for at least a couple more years, like season 6, 7, 8, 100%. So overall, that was an amazing mid-season finale. I love the cliffhanger. Now I have to wait till April. I can't. Yeah, so this was my... Oh, I'm hungry. That was my reaction. What did you guys think? I loved the Gideon, Sarah, and Ava team up. I loved the Sirens of Space-Time. I love that. I love how they do, like, the cheesy openings, like the 80s openings back in the day. How cute. I loved it. I loved it. And now Charlie's kind of, you know, confirmed that she wants to be part of the team, like, she likes them. And I sense a thing between Zari and Charlie. I'm calling it. I sense, although... I do kind of like them as a, you know, friendship and like, you know, as a bromance kind of thing. But I would really like it if they got together. I don't know, that's just me. Anyways, what did you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in April for more Legends of Tomorrow reactions. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow for a Flash Elseworlds Part 3 reaction. Ciao and I love you guys. Bye!